we had one last person that we were going to talk to, and let's hope that she shows up while we're talking. But I'm talking about Lanaya Johnson, and you mentioned before she's an operations manager out of Virginia, nominated 3 times this year. Okay, I just want to say that, we talked a little bit about the operations manager role, and this is an opportunity if you are a rock star to shine, and clearly she is a star. But it's also the person that if something isn't going right, people will complain to and about an operations manager. It's a tough job. But This is the first person who nominated her said, overall, she makes my life easier in almost every way. The second person, can you imagine what a compliment, right?
Amazing.
The second person said, Lanaya is one of our OMs in Northern Virginia. She has spent the last several months covering a center in need in addition to her own, and is currently in the process of overhauling schedules to better meet the needs of our patients in our center of need. That she just started working with. She has not hesitated to take on this additional responsibility. Her professional relationships with her BCBAs and other teammates is exactly what I want to see in a center. And she shows in the positive, and this shows in the positive rapport with families as well. And the third nomination is that Lanaya is a jack of all trades who solves any issue, finds the answer, stands up for her staff and her clients. She is not intimidated by issues and dealing with challenges, but also is compassionate and has no need to bulldoze parents who need her help. What a remarkable set of compliments.
I love that. That's incredible. Honestly, that's the type of person that I hope all of our OMs become, because truly, and it's a challenging
She's
job.
here.
Oh,
She's
great.
here. Oh my goodness. Lanaya, am I saying your name correctly?
Hi guys. It's Lanija.
Lanija. Well, I take it all back then. We need to go back and say all those wonderful things all over again. But I interrupted Dr. Granpeesheh, but I'm so excited that you're here because we just said so many wonderful things about you. But Dr. Granpeesheh, go ahead, have the floor.
Nice to meet you, Lanija. And first of all, let me just say how beautiful your hair is. I love your hair. Gorgeous. And it's so nice. Before you came on, I was just telling our viewers how important it is to have an operations manager who is able to do all these things. It's probably, we always talk about how the OM position is the most important, vital, difficult position at CARD, because you kind of have to do a little bit of everything. And I'm so glad that 3 different people nominated you, and they all kind of pointed out different aspects of this job, of like managing the families and schedules. And the part that got me very excited was that you're actually rehauling schedules for the other center that you're overseeing.
Yes.
Bless you for that. That actually always shows huge dedication in my mind. And that you're always there for the families and for the patients. So thank you so much. I really appreciate all your hard work and integrity and dedication. How are you doing? Tell us about your experience.
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. I just love CARD. I love the families at CARD. That's what I do. What I do is because I just love all the families. I actually started at CARD as a BT, and then I became an OM after the fact.
That's amazing.
Wow.
That is amazing.
Why did you want to become an OM? Why did that excite you?
Well, I had a really good OM. She's actually still here at CARD. Her name is Amber McCracken. She's now a BCBA with CARD. But I had a really good OM, and I just seen all the difference she can make with our families, like when they had scheduling issues or concerns, or just like when they just needed someone to just kind of relate to or let loose to. And so I was like, oh, I would love to try that because I'm really good with all the kids and I love the kids and I love working with them. But it's also so nice to see how, like, just us doing the schedules properly helps the kids just as much.
Amen to that. Amen to that, because the scheduling is the beast. It's
Yeah.
absolutely the beast, and yet I watch, and when somebody can tame the beast, you're right, it makes all the difference in the world for the families, for the kiddo, for the staff. So thank you for being willing to take on that beast and getting excited to take on that beast.
Yeah, and also I think, Shannon, one of the things I've learned is that, when you have a really good, capable OM, the clinic itself is just a happy place. It's just a happy place because everyone is happy. The staff, the employees are happy because they understand, they get there at the schedules they want, or if they can't, they understand. They're part of the solution. And same thing with the families. Everybody feels like it's a really good, cohesive team. And that all just depends on having a wonderful person like you in the role of the OM. So, good job. I mean, it's very, very unusual to have three different people nominate. So let me tell you,
Thank
you
you.
are making a lot of people happy and you're changing a lot of lives out there. So bless you for that. And thank you so much.
Thank you. I love doing it, so
It's an
hopefully I'll be here
honor
for a
to
really
have
long
you.
time.
It's an honor to have you at CARD. You're amazing.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you on behalf of all your families, because I agree with Dr. Granpeesheh. A great OM changes the whole experience so much for the better, and I know how much that's changing their lives. So I'm sending you an air hug, and a socially distanced air hug, and telling you thank you on behalf of all those families, and keep on doing what you're doing, because you're an amazing role model for other OMs as well.
Thanks.
Rock star, big star. Thank you.
Have a great
Thank
week.
you. You
Bye
too,
bye.
guys. Thank you.
Bye bye.
So, thanks for watching Autism Live. If you found anything helpful in this video, please give us a like. In fact, make sure that you smash that subscribe button on YouTube and give us a like on Facebook. You can also follow us on Twitter and Instagram for important updates. And please download our free podcast wherever you get your podcasts. See you next time. Until then, give your kiddos a hug from me and one for you too. Bye-bye for now. To subscribe, click here. And if you'd like to check out some more of our videos, click here.